Let us try to understand the hydrides and its type. So first of all, we have to understand hydrides. So the when metal react with the hydrogen atom, it form the hydride, student, metal hydride. And when you talk about the types of hydride, they can form the many type of hydride like that covalent hydride, metallic hydride and ionic hydride or interstitial hydride. So H2 combined with almost all elements except noble gas to form the binary compound called hydrides. So that is, if you talk about the halogen hydride or the metal hydride, they all are the hydrides which is formed by the combination of the hydrogen with the other elements. Depending on the nature of the bond formed between the hydrogen and other element, the hydrides are classified into three types. So on the nature of bond, hydrides are three types, student. That is, between the hydrogen and other element, what type of bond is there? The three types hydride is there. If suppose covalent bond is there, student, between hydrogen and metal, it will be the covalent hydride. If ionic bond is there, it will be the ionic hydride. Okay, so it is there. First one is saline, salt-like or ionic hydride because of the ionic bond formation. Next one is molecular or covalent hydride because of the molecular formation. Last one is metallic or interstitial or non-stoichiometric hydride. So these are there, student. Let us have the ionic hydride. So dear student, when you talk about the ionic hydride, these are the stoichiometric compounds of the dihydrogen formed with the most of the S block element. So ionic hydride is formed by the S block element, that is group 1 and group 2 element, student. Significant covalent character is found in LiH, BeH2 and MgH2. So if you talk about that, is little bit covalent character is there in the lithium hydride, beryllium hydride and magnesium hydride. Beryllium hydride and magnesium hydride are polymeric in nature, means they form the polymer of this hydride. These are the colorless crystalline non-volatile solids. They are non-conducting in solid state. So these hydride, if we talk about, these are the colorless crystalline non-volatile solid. They are not conducting in solid state. Okay. Next one, these hydrides conduct electricity in molten state and on electrolysis liberate dihydrogen at anode, which confirm the existence of H minus ion. So 2H minus ion giving H2 plus 2 electron. They have high melting point and boiling point and high density also. Except LiH, they generally undergoes combination when heated in strongly in air. This is due to their decomposition into highly inflammable H2. Except LiH, they generally undergoes combustion. Except LiH, they generally undergoes combustion when heated strongly in air. This is due to their decomposition into highly inflammable H2. So calcium hydride, it getting decomposed at 625 to 675 Kelvin, giving the calcium and dihydrogen. These hydrides are generally prepared by heating the metal with hydrogen under pressure at temperature between 150 to 600 degrees Celsius. Lithium react with hydrogen, it is forming the lithium hydride. The stability of hydride decreases as the size of the cation increases. So most stable lithium hydride than sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium hydride. And lithium hydride is useful in the synthesis of other useful hydride like lithium hydride react with the AlCl6, Al2Cl6, it is giving lithium aluminum hydride. LiH, it is reacting with the B2L6, it is lithium boron hydride. Saline hydride react with violently with water producing dihydrogen. So saline hydride or ionic hydride reacting with the water, it is producing the dihydrogen gas, student, like that NaH is there reacting with water is giving sodium hydroxide plus dihydrogen gas. They act as a powerful reducing agent as they are giving the hydrogen, student, so they are also acting as a reducing agents like carbon monoxide react with NaH, it is giving that is sodium formate and carbon. So this is all about the ionic hydride. Thank you so much for watching, friends.